Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to show you guys a super easy way to install Windows 11 on unsupported devices in 2023. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do is literally, so how you can see here on my desktop, I do have Windows 11 ISO. You just open Rufus. So I know most of you guys know what Rufus is at the moment. Just open it. Did I open it? No. Just open it, right? So this is my stick that I'm having right now here. So what I have to do when I select the image, so let's go on here, Windows 11. I select it, or you can go to download here, and when you press the download button, it would ask you what do you want to download. So if you want Windows 11, then you download Windows 11 from here directly if you don't have the image. But in my case, I do have the image, so it's here. So you leave everything right here the same. The moment I click start, you will get this information. So remove the requirement 4 GB of RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. Yes. Remove requirement for an online account with Microsoft, so you don't have to connect to Wi-Fi and stuff like that, then put your account and stuff like that. If you do want to connect, for example, I do use my account on my computer. This is because Windows right now has a new feature. Well, it's something like Apple. So when you save all your pictures on iOS, because you're using iCloud, when you open Photos on macOS, you will have all your pictures there. This is what Windows is doing right now. So open Photos app right now here, then I will have all the pictures that I did save and on my iCloud account, on my OneDrive account, stuff like that. So everything will be here instantly, so I don't have to transfer pictures and USB and stuff like that. So create a local account if you want. Log is the name of this computer, so you can put like I don't know. Yes. Set regional option to set value at this user. So this one I won't recommend it. You won't be able to change the region on your computer then, so I won't recommend it. And disable data collection, which is keep privacy question. So remember those days, if you want this computer to find my laptop to send data to Microsoft or how you're typing and stuff like that, this will skip those ones, so they will be left unanswered. So in that scenario, you actually give, so most of the people think that you don't give any answer to Microsoft, so that means that they cannot collect your data. No, that actually means skipping this thing, that will actually mean that you're giving full access to them. So keep this in mind. So you just press OK. You will delete this USB, that's fine. And then that's it. Literally the moment it's finished, you will have a bootable Windows 11 with all the system requirements deactivated. So you can install it on any PC. Easy, straight to the point. So yeah, if you do like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If this is still a thing, I really appreciate it if you guys do it, because as a new YouTuber, I need people to like my videos so YouTube can recommend it to more people. And I really appreciate you guys if you do it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.